gano'n.
Oo, mahirap mahirap din 'yun 'no, pero I mean, at some point we all know when people are just using us, and then, yung mga taong hindi makahindi, alam mo, love yourself first, dahil okay mahal mo yung mga humihingi sa'yo, but you know very well na when you give an inch, they take a foot, you know? And so as you give, mas lalo pa silang hihingi ng hihingi, 'no? You just need to put a stop to it. I mean, you have to have that, resolve. Mahirap gawin, pero you have to have that resolve to really say no. Ngayon, if it will mean na hindi ka na nila kakausapin dahil hindi mo sila binigyan, then maybe importante ka lang sa kanila dahil sa binibigay mo sa kanila dahil hindi dahil sa mahal ka nila. So just realize that. Kasi you should be more important to them than the money you give. At iniisip din dapat nila na pinaghihirapan mo yung binibigay mo sa kanila, no? So, if you feel you're being abused,